See the next question. In next question again we have to balance the equation by using ion electron method. We have to balance the equation by ion electron method, and balancing is done in acidic medium. So we are doing balancing in acidic medium. See, first we will calculate the oxidation number of each element. See, the oxidation number of potassium is +1, alkali metal, and we can see that the oxidation number of chromium is +6, while the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Oxidation number of potassium is +1, and oxidation number of carbon in oxalate ion, this is oxalate, C2O4 2 negative ion, this is oxalate ion. So basically the charge on carbon atom when we calculate oxidation number comes +3. So the oxidation state of carbon is +3. Now oxidation state of Cl is -1, oxidation state of Cl is -1, and oxidation state of carbon is +4. Oxidation state of chromium will be +3. Oxidation state of potassium is +1 and Cl-. See, balancing is done in acidic medium, means H plus will remain and water will remain. Now as we see, the oxidation number of potassium is +1 on left hand side, and oxidation number of potassium is +1 on right hand side. So basically K plus will be acts as spectator ion. In the same way again, potassium +1 on left hand side, potassium +1 on right hand side. So oxidation number does not changes, hence K plus in the reaction acts as an spectator ion. See again, we know Cl minus, oxidation state of Cl is -1, and here also oxidation state of Cl is -1. It means the oxidation number of chlorine is also not changing, therefore Cl will also acts as spectator ion. To convert molecular reaction into ionic reaction, we simply remove the spectator ion. This K plus, this K plus, this Cl minus, this Cl minus, this Cl minus, this K plus, all of them will be removed. So now the ionic equation will be, see, the now ionic equation will be in the form of Cr2O7 2 negative and C2O4 2 negative as balancing in acidic medium, therefore H plus ion, Cr2O7 2 minus, oxidation number changes from +6 to +3, so decrease in oxidation number, reduction, and oxidation number of carbon is +3, changes to oxidation state of +4, increase in oxidation number. See how we balance the equation. So split the two equations into two half. One is oxidation half and one is reduction half. So one is oxidation half and one is reduction half. See how we balance the reaction. See, so basically the reaction is Cr2O7 2 negative plus C2O4 2 negative changes into Cr3 positive plus CO2 plus water, and in presence of acidic medium. This is the half reaction. Now write two half reactions. First I am writing the half reaction for reduction half. See, for reduction half, reaction is Cr2O7 2 minus is changing into Cr3 positive ion. First balance other atoms, as chromium are 2 atoms of chromium, so balance chromium, 2 chromium atom. Now find the oxidation number. 2x minus 14 equal to -2. So oxidation state of chromium is +6 per atom. So for one atom chromium oxidation state is +6. For two atoms, because there are two atoms, therefore oxidation number will be +12. See, one atom of chromium carrying +3 charge, for two atoms will be +6. So basically oxidation number changes from +12 to +6. To balance the oxidation number, add electrons, as one electron is basically 1 unit of negative charge. To balance oxidation number, add 6 electrons. Now 6 electrons are added to balance the oxidation number 2Cr3 positive. So this is the first half reaction. As gain of electron, therefore reduction half reaction. Now see the next. The next is C2O4 2 negative changes into CO2. First balance other atoms. There are 2 carbon atoms while there is only 1 carbon atom. So balance carbon atoms. Now as we can see that oxidation state of carbon atom is how much? 2x minus 8 equal to minus 2. So 2x equal to 6, x equal to 3. So for 1 atom 3, for 2 atom it will be 6. For 2 atom it is 6. See, for 1 atom it is 4. For 2 atom it will be plus 8. So oxidation number is increasing from plus 6 to plus 8. Now it is balance. Make the oxidation number balance. So we add 2 electrons on the right hand side. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now we have 2 half reactions. One is reduction half reaction and one is oxidation half reaction. Now add these 2 reactions. Before adding, make clear electrons must be balanced. There are 6 electrons while there are only 2 electrons. So multiply this reaction by 3. Multiply this reaction by 3. When we multiply this reaction by 3, it comes 3 C2O4 2 negative changes into, multiply by 3, so it will be 6 CO2 and plus 6 electron. Now add reduction half reaction and oxidation half reaction. So the net reaction will be 6 electron cancel out. So net reaction will be Cr2O7 2 negative and plus 3 moles of C2O4 2 negative changes into 6 CO2 plus 2 Cr3 positive. So this is the net reaction. So net electron exchange in this reaction is 6. So electron cancel out is the net electron exchange. Now we will balance the oxygen atoms. So next step is balancing of oxygen atoms. See, we can see that 6 electrons and 6 electrons cancel out. So basically we will balance the oxygen atoms. We can see how many oxygen atoms. For balancing of oxygen atoms, we use water molecules. See, 7 oxygen atoms plus 3 4 are 12. So basically 12 plus 7, 19 oxygen atoms are there on left hand side. On left hand side there are 19 oxygen atoms. See on the right hand side, 6 2 are 12. So only 12 oxygen atoms are on right hand side. So there is deficiency of 7 oxygen atoms. And 1 water molecule contain 1 oxygen atom. Therefore 12 plus 7 is 19. Therefore 7 water molecules are added. Now the next step is balancing of hydrogen ion. So balance hydrogen atom, 14H plus 14 hydrogen on right hand side, but there is no hydrogen on left hand side. So add 14H plus. Now the reaction is balanced. We can also check whether the reaction is correct balance or not. See, for example, see in this reaction, 2 chromium atom on left hand side, 2 chromium atom on right hand side. 3 2 is 6 carbon atom, 6 carbon atom. 3 4 is 12, 12 7 19. 6 2 is 12, 7 19 oxygen atom. 14H 14H, all atoms are balanced. Now see the charge. There is minus 2 charge. There is minus 2 and 3. So minus 6 and minus 2, minus 8. Now 14. So plus 14 and minus 8 equal to plus 6. So on left hand side there is plus 6 unit of charge. See on right hand side, 2 3 is 6 plus 6. So charge is also balanced. It means the reaction is correctly balanced. Now we will discuss the balancing of redox reaction in basic medium. See how we balance the redox reaction in basic medium. So we are going to balance the redox reaction in basic medium. See, balancing in basic medium. So the question given here is Cl2 changes into Cl2 plus IO3 negative changes into Cl minus and IO4 minus. See in this case, the oxidation state of chlorine. The oxidation state of chlorine changes from 0 to minus 1. oxidation state of iodine changes from +5 to +7. So 0 to -1 decrease in oxidation number, therefore reduction. +7 to +5 to +7 increase in oxidation number, therefore oxidation. Now, while the steps from 1 to 3 as in balancing in acidic medium will remain same in the basic medium. So step 1 to 3 will remain same for acidic medium and basic medium. See how we will balance. So balancing in basic medium. So first half reaction is Cl2 changes into Cl minus, IO3 negative changes into IO4 minus. So basically Cl2 plus IO3 negative changes into Cl minus and IO4 minus. See the first half reaction. The first half reaction is Cl2 changes into Cl minus. So basically Cl2 changes into Cl negative. First of all, balance other atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. So 2 chlorine atoms are there. Now balance 2 chlorine atom. Chlorine in standard form, therefore oxidation number is 0. Oxidation number is -2. Now we can see that as there is 0 oxidation number, there is -2. So balance the oxidation number by addition of electron. So it will be Cl2 plus 2 electron changes into 2 Cl negative. First half reaction balance, gain of electron, therefore we call reduction half reaction. Now see the next half. The next half is in which IO3 negative changes into IO4 negative. See the oxidation number of I. The oxidation number of I is +5 in this case and +7 in this case. Increase in oxidation number. To balance oxidation number, add electron on right hand side. 2 electrons are added to right hand side. Now we can see loss of electron means oxidation half reaction. As we can see in reduction half reaction, 2 electrons. Also in oxidation half reaction, 2 electrons. So add reduction half reaction and oxidation half reaction. So net electron will be cancelled out. So net electrons will be cancelled out. 2 electron, 2 electron. So the reaction changes into Cl2 plus IO3 negative changes into 2 Cl minus plus IO4 minus. Now the next step is balancing of charge. So charge is balanced by using OH negative. So charge is balanced by using OH negative. We see there is -1 charge on left hand side. There is -1 charge on left hand side. See the charge on right hand side. 2 1 are 2. So it is -2 and -1. So it is equal to -3. So on left hand side there is -1 charge, while on right hand side there is -3 charge. So balance the charge by using OH minus. See the next step. So we can see that we have the equation, this one. Now we are going to balance the charge. So charge is balanced by using addition of OH minus ion. See, -1, -2, -1 is on left hand side and -1, -2, -3 is on right hand side. As 1 OH minus carrying -1 charge, so -3 becomes when we add 2 OH minus on left hand side. Now the charge is balanced by addition of OH minus ion. Now we will balance the oxygen atom. By addition of water molecule. So next step is addition of water molecule. So same steps in the basic medium. First 2, 3 steps are same. So first step is convert the reaction into ionic form. Remove the spectator ion. Divide the reaction into 2 halves. One is oxidation half and one is reduction half. Then cancel out the electrons. So net electron exchange. Then we balance the charge. By addition of OH negative ion. Now we balance the oxygen atom by the addition of water molecules. See. Now the next step is balance of oxygen atom by addition of water molecule. So hydrogen will be automatically balanced. See, as we can see that when we added 2 OH minus to balance the charge. Now oxygen atoms are 3 oxygen atoms, and 5 oxygen atoms are on left hand side. 3 plus 2, 5 oxygen atoms are on left hand side, while on right hand side there is only 4 oxygen atom. Therefore we have to add 1 molecule of water. Now oxygen is balanced and also hydrogen is itself balanced. So this is basically the steps we have followed. First we have written the ionic equation by removing spectator ion. Then we have written addition. Then we have written oxidation half reaction, reduction half reaction. Then we have added these reactions so that net electron exchange is cancelled out. Then after we balance the charge by the addition of OH minus ion. Then we have balanced the oxygen atom by the addition of water molecule. Now see the next question based on the balancing in basic medium. See, the question is, in this question we see MnO4 negative ion plus NO2 negative ion in basic. OH minus means in basic medium. Basic medium is provided. So MnO4 negative ion changes into MnO4 2 negative ion, and NO2 negative ion changes into NO3 negative ion. So these are basically water molecule will be automatically balanced. OH is provided for basic medium only. So basically we need only this part for the balancing. This one, and this one, and this one. OH minus is for medium and water will automatically balance. Now see, write two halves. One is oxidation half and one is reduction half. First calculate the oxidation number of each atom. See, the oxidation number of manganese is +7. Oxidation state of nitrogen is +3. Oxidation state of manganese is +6. And oxidation state of nitrogen is +5. Now, oxidation number of manganese changes from +7 to +6, means decrease in oxidation number, so reduction. Oxidation state of nitrogen changes from +3 to +5, means increase in oxidation number, so oxidation. So write two half reaction. One is oxidation half, one is reduction half. Oxidation half means increase in oxidation number, so NO2 minus and NO3 minus will be the part. NO2 minus changes into NO3 minus. See, the oxidation number is, in NO2 minus oxidation number is +3, and in NO3 minus oxidation number is +5. So basically there is increase in oxidation number of 2. So balance the oxidation number by addition of electron. Therefore 2 electrons are added on right hand side, means loss of electron. Therefore oxidation half reaction. Now write the reduction half reaction. See, reduction half reaction. We see oxidation number of manganese +7 in MnO4 minus. Oxidation number of manganese +6 in MnO4 2 negative. So +7 and +6 means add 1 electron. +7 to +6. So add 1 electron to left hand side. Now we can see that in reduction half reaction only 1 electron. In oxidation half reaction there are 2 electrons. So balance electrons so that electrons get cancelled out. To balance the electron, multiply the second reaction by 2. Therefore net electron exchange is 2. Now electrons are cancelled out. So the reaction will convert into 2 MnO4 minus plus NO2 minus changes into NO3 negative and 2 MnO4 2 negative. See, the reaction will change into this one when electrons are cancelled out. Now balance the charge. See, charge -2 on left hand side, -1 on left hand side. Therefore the charge on left hand side is -3 and the charge on right hand side is -1. 2 2 ja 4, so -5 on right hand side. So basically to balance the charge we add 2 OH negative ion on left hand side. So now the charge is balanced. -2, -1, -3, -5. -1, -4, -5. Charge is balanced. Now balance the oxygen atoms. See oxygen atoms. 2 4 ja 8. 8 and 2 10. 10 and 2 12. So basically there are 12 oxygen atoms. Now see here. 4 2 ja 8 and 8 and 3. 8 and 3. 11 oxygen atoms are there. So there are 11 oxygen atoms. There are 12. So add one water molecule to the right hand side. Now the reaction is balanced. See, we can see that the reaction is balanced. So we have completed the balancing. We have completed the balancing in acidic medium and basic medium using ion electron method. Now next class we will discuss the balancing using oxidation number method. See. So we are doing the oxidation number method for balancing of redox reaction. See, balancing of redox reaction using oxidation number method. So first we are doing the balancing in acidic medium. See the steps followed in oxidation number method. The reaction given is, now we are doing the balancing. Now we are balancing using oxidation number method. See, the reaction given is K2Cr2O7, K2C2O4, HCl changes into CrCl3 plus CO2 plus KCl and H2O. See in this reaction. In this reaction basically the oxidation potassium we see remove the spectrated ion, remove all spectrated ion. So potassium plus 1, potassium plus 1, potassium plus 1, chlorine minus 1, chlorine minus 1, chlorine minus 1. So remove all potassiums and chlorine from the reaction because these are spectrated ion. Now the reaction is changing into ionic reaction. See, so reaction is changed into ionic reaction. See, so reaction basically Cr2O7 2 negative. Now we have Cr2O7 2 negative, oxalate ion C2O4 2 negative. As reaction is in acidic medium, therefore H plus. Now chromium 3 positive and CO2 and water is used only for balancing H plus ion. Now we don't need to break the reaction, split the reaction into two halves. So this is the advantage of oxidation number method. Now find the oxidation number. So oxidation number of each atom is basically the oxidation number of chromium. Oxidation number of chromium is plus 6. As we can see that oxidation number of carbon in oxalate ion is plus 3. Oxidation number of chromium is plus 3. And oxidation number of carbon in CO2 is plus 4. See, oxidation number of chromium changes from plus 6 to plus 3. See, for one atom, when we calculate the oxidation number for chromium, we let 2x as chromium x. So 2 chromium atoms are there, about 2x minus 14 equal to minus 2. On solving we get 2x equal to 12. So x is equal to 6. So basically for one chromium atom oxidation number is 6. See also, there is also one chromium atom. So for one chromium atom oxidation number is plus 3. But on the left side there are two chromium atoms. So first calculate the change in oxidation number. So change in oxidation number of chromium atom. Change in oxidation number of chromium atom is plus 6 to plus 3, means change in oxidation number of 3. Change in oxidation number of 3 for chromium atom per atom. But there are two atoms, therefore multiply the change in oxidation number with the number of atoms on the left hand side. So total change is 3 multiplied by 2 means 6. So basically total change in oxidation number of chromium is 6. Now see for carbon. See, in case of carbon, we see 2x minus 8 equal to minus 2. So 2x equal to 6, so x equal to 3. Basically, we get the oxidation number for one carbon atom. For one carbon atom, it is plus 3. And see, in CO2, for one carbon atom, oxidation number per atom is plus 4. So oxidation number of carbon atom for one carbon atom changing by 1. So change in oxidation number of carbon atom per atom. So change in oxidation number of carbon atom per atom is 1. So for one atom, oxidation number is changed by 1. But on the left hand side, how many atoms are there? 2. So multiply the change per atom. Change per atom is 1 into number of atoms is 2. So overall change is 2. So overall change in oxidation number of carbon is 2. Now we can see that overall change in oxidation number of chromium. Overall change in oxidation number of chromium is 6. While overall change in oxidation number of carbon is 2. We can cancel out to convert in simple whole number ratio. So 2 3 are 6. Now it is 3:1. Now it is 3:1 just to make calculation easy. While the net electron exchange will remain 6. Net electron exchange will remain 6. See. Now we have the total change in oxidation number. Total change in oxidation number for chromium atom. Total change in oxidation number of carbon atom. Now cross multiply. How cross multiply be the change in oxidation number? So change in oxidation number will be cross multiplied. As we can see, change in oxidation number for chromium is 3. So 3 will be multiplied by oxalate. As change in oxidation number of oxalate is 1. So 1 is multiplied to Cr2O7. And the number is multiplied only on the left hand side. And the change in oxidation number is multiplied only on the left hand side. See. For chromium, total change in oxidation number 3. For carbon, total change in oxidation number 1. Because we have cancelled out 6 and 2, 3:1. So cross multiply. 3 multiplied to Cr2O7 2 minus. And so 3 is change for chromium. So 3 multiplied by oxalate. And 1 change for 1 is the change for oxalate. So 1 is multiplied to Cr2O7 2 minus. See now. Cross multiplied. Cross multiply the change in oxidation number. So we had cross multiplied the change in oxidation number of chromium to oxalate and change in oxidation number of oxalate to chromium. So this is Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3C2O4 2 minus, while rest remain as it is. Multiply only on the left hand side. Plus H plus will remain as it is and Cr3 plus will remain as it is, CO2 as it is, water as it is. Now the next step is the balancing of atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. So balancing other atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. So balance chromium atom and carbon atom. As there are 2 carbon atoms, so balance carbon atom 2 Cr. 6 carbon atoms, so balance 6 carbon atom. And then balance oxygen atom. See. So basically we have balance other atoms like Cr2O7 2 negative plus 3C2O4 2 negative plus H positive changes into how many chromium atoms are there? 2 chromium. So 2 Cr3 plus and plus how many CO2 are there? There are 6 carbon atoms, so balance 6 CO2. So other atoms are balanced. Water is as it is. Now we will balance oxygen atom. See how many oxygen atoms are there? 7 and 3 4 are 12. So 12 and 7 19 oxygen atoms. So basically how many oxygen atoms are there? 7 and plus 3 4 are 12. 12 7 19. While on right hand side how many there? 6 2 are 12 only. 6 2 are 12 only. Because water molecules will be balanced itself. So water molecule is basically balanced by itself. Only 6 2 are 12. While on right hand side 3 4 are 12 and 7 19. Now we have to add how many water molecules? 7 water molecules. So 7 water molecules are added. See. Now we have balanced oxygen atoms by adding 7 water molecules. So hydrogen will be balanced as reaction is in acidic medium by addition of H plus ion. So how many H plus? 14H on right hand side, therefore 14H plus. Now the reaction is balanced. So this is the balancing of redox reaction in acidic medium using oxidation number method.